Hi, this is Lance from West Michigan. I have been a TurboCAD user since about 2013. I started out using TurboCAD Deluxe and then moved on to TurboCAD Pro, and now I'm using TurboCAD Pro Platinum 2025. Recently, I've been thinking about the thought of making videos showing features of TurboCAD Windows 2025. Um, there are some videos on YouTube showing or illustrating TurboCAD. Some of those are older versions of TurboCAD, and so they may not reflect exactly the most recent version of TurboCAD. And so that's where this idea came to mind. Now, my background has mostly been 2D architectural drawings, but I have been working with other areas of the TurboCAD software. If you would like to follow along in these videos, one thing to keep in mind, I am using TurboCAD 2025 Platinum. If you have TurboCAD Designer, Deluxe, Pro, or another year version of TurboCAD, a lot of these tools may be in those other products that you might have, but I can't guarantee it. But you're still welcome to view these and follow along. A couple things I'm going to do if you are completely new, let's say you do have TurboCAD Platinum 2025 and you want to follow along and use the same toolbar layout and template that I am using. Now I have a customized toolbar layout and a customized template that I have customized to my liking, but I'm actually using a built-in template and a built-in toolbar layout for some of these videos. Maybe at some point I'll switch over to my customized layout that I'm really familiar with. But for now, if you want to follow along, up here is a series of buttons and like a menu bar with some drop-down menus. If you right-click on the empty space in this toolbar area, it's going to bring up something called Customize. This has been in a lot of versions of TurboCAD. I'm going to click on the tab called Options, and you will see an area called Workspace, Default Style. You'll have a couple buttons here, Default, Browse, Load From. Under Load From, I'm going to click this drop down arrow and I'm going to select TC underscore 1280 by 1024. And then I'm going to click on Load From. Once that is complete, I'm going to click Close. What that just did is it loaded that default toolbar layout, and that was a toolbar layout that I did not create. I did not customize that. That's just a default that TurboCAD offers with their software. If you have TurboCAD 2025, you should have access to that if you want to use the same toolbar layout that I'm using in this video. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Options, this drop down menu, and I'm going to click Program Setup. And if you're not already on this General, I'm going to click General, and then there's two settings I'm going to change here, where it says New Document and New Document From. I'm going to select Template, and then Default Template for New File. I'm going to select in this drop down Normal. We're not going to be too concerned about what type of drawing we're creating. I'm just going to start out showcasing some of the 2D drawing tools. And then once this is set to template and normal, I'm going to click OK. What that just did is whenever you click on the new drawing file icon, it's going to open up that template file. And so over here, I have a couple X's. I'm not going to exit out of the program, but I'm going to exit out of this open file here. And if it asks you to save, if it's something that you were working on, you're probably going to want to save it. If it's something that you don't care about, you can click no. Now I'm going to click on this new, and that opened up a new drawing based on that normal template that I just selected. In the next video, I'm going to show some of the straight line tools and show you how they work and what these different straight line tools do.